Well, hello. I want to personally thank you for clicking on this video. That shows me that you're interested in learning something about starting a worm bin. So, right off the bat, when you become a worm farmer, people are going to think you're crazy. But I'm going to tell you that worm farmers are normal. I have a community of people that I connect with. So that's just normal. Most of your friends have cats, dogs, some might have a turtle or a gecko. But you're going to have worms. That's going to be okay because you're normal just like me. I'm going to tell you straight up that if you're thinking about becoming a worm farmer, it is very addicting. You will be hooked. Once you start, you're not going to be able to stop. You're going to want to have more worms than you can handle. You're going to want to have more worm bins, but I'm telling you, you can calm down. You can maintain it. It happens, but that's one thing that you're going to get hooked on. Worms are very addictive, but it's a great hobby. It's a great hobby to have, and that's what I like about worms. The thing I like about worms, too, is that they're able to eat food scraps. You will notice that you will have less garbage because they'll eat your apples, your bananas, your pineapples, your orange peels, whatever you got. They'll eat some cardboard. They'll eat newspaper. They'll eat even your junk mail. So that's a few things that they will do. You're going to make mistakes. That happens. I've made mistakes, so it's okay. But if you keep watching my videos and other people that are worm farmers, you can learn from them to prevent things from happening to you. So you got to think about where you're going to keep them. I'm just thankful that my worms are in the basement. It took me 1 year after they died to get my worms into the basement because my wife didn't want them in there. And once she realized that the worms won't bother her or me or anyone else, she'll be just fine. The thing that I noticed too about worms is that they are great pets. A lot of people spend more time talking to the worms than they do with their cats, their dogs, or their fish. So that's another thing to look into when you become a worm farmer, because you're going to be talking to your worms like they're just a regular person. But I don't think worms have ears, but anyway, it's good therapy for you. Speaking of that, people like to connect with their worms, like to put their hands in there, it's relaxing to them. It's therapeutic. So that's another great thing about having worms. But I'm telling you, there's a lot of things about worms that it's just amazing. They're great creatures. They're fascinating. You become a scientist. You can make your own fertilizer from their castings, and it'll save you money. If you want to take it to the next level, you can start selling worms. You can make it big time, small time, or just a hobby, whatever you're into. But worms are great to have. And since I had worms, I have no reason to look back because I really enjoy being a worm farmer. But here's another video to check out about worms. I want to take time out to say thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.